We will open this video with a presentation of facts that may surprise us all. In particular are facts related to obesity. In fact, obesity is arguably a very fast-growing epidemic worldwide. And since 1980, its development has almost doubled. Another fact also shows that in 2008, there were more than 200 million men and 300 million women over the age of 20 years were obese. This condition causes 65% of the total world population, where people who live with obesity and overweight are able to kill more people than those who are underweight. Obesity is a major factor that can cause several cardiovascular and metabolic disorders, such as type 2 diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, atherosclerosis, and also certain types of cancer. Excessive weight gain can indeed be associated with genetic factors, lifestyle, and also high-calorie intake. This condition then gave rise to the concept that there must be lifestyle adjustments, so that it could affect dietary habits and physical activity, which in turn was able to control body weight. Talking about obesity, diet is believed to be one of the effective ways to lose weight. However, there is not enough scientific evidence to recommend that one particular type of diet is recommended over another. In fact, there is also no definite data that says what type of diet is the most effective for the short and long term. The most acceptable dietary strategy is to reduce the fat content with a relatively high carbohydrate level. But later studies have shown that these low-fat diets can only moderate weight loss and have low long-term adherence problems. Another fact also shows that in general, obese people prefer processed foods that contain simple sugars rather than raw or complex carbohydrates. This condition then led to the understanding that a low-fat diet can actually encourage the consumption of sugar, and refined carbohydrates can exacerbate weight problems and also facilitate dyslipidemia, especially in insulin-resistant individuals. And in the end, the low-carb ketogenic diet or the simply ketogenic diet became more popular in the community. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet, which has a lot in common with the Atkins and low-carb diets. The point of this diet is to drastically reduce carbohydrate intake, and replace it with fat. This reduction in carbohydrates then puts our body into a certain metabolic state called ketosis. When our bodies are in a state of ketosis, our bodies can easily burn fat and then convert it into energy. This condition can also convert fat into ketones in the liver, which has the benefit of supplying energy for the brain. This ketogenic diet can significantly lower blood sugar levels and insulin levels in our body, along with increasing ketones, which have been shown to have many health benefits. And finally, it is concluded that the ketogenic diet is a low-carb and high-fat diet. This diet method allows for a decrease in blood sugar and insulin levels, and shifts the body's metabolism from carbohydrates to fats and ketones. It has been proven that the ketogenic diet can provide many health benefits, especially those related to neurological, metabolic, and other diseases related to insulin. When the body is in a state of ketosis, the body has the ability to burn fat and convert it into energy. So it can be concluded, the ketogenic diet can lose weight significantly. This diet can be an effective solution to overcome the problem of obesity and its various derivatives. Apart from being associated with obesity or weight loss, the ketogenic diet also has other health benefits. Here are some of the lists. Now we enter the section about the ketogenic diet foods. Here we will discuss what foods are recommended to eat, and vice versa, which foods should be avoided. For foods that can be eaten, make sure we eat foods such as meat, fish, eggs, butter, nuts, avocados, healthy oils, and eat lots of vegetables with low carbohydrates. The following are examples of foods that can be eaten on the ketogenic diet. Next are foods that should be avoided, or limited on the ketogenic diet. They are high carbohydrate foods, such as grains, sugars, legumes, rice, potatoes, juice, candy, and even most fruit should also be avoided. Here is a more complete list of foods to avoid on the ketogenic diet. Okay, now we have come to the conclusion. The problem of weight is something that we must pay attention to. There are many facts stating that obesity is the main factor triggering various kinds of more severe diseases. Therefore, we must be able to control our weight so that we can continue to live healthy in the long term. One of the best ways to lose weight significantly is on the ketogenic diet. As you've seen in this video before, the ketogenic diet is fun. Even if you look at the keto foods, you probably wouldn't imagine if the list of foods is effective for weight loss. So, do you want to lose weight or maintain your ideal weight? Of course, you can consider the ketogenic diet.